The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is requesting applications to expand one of its programs. The Child and Adolescent Health Center program provides primary, preventative, and early intervention health care services in schools near school properties. This program provides aid to more than 270 sites and 50,000 kids in Michigan. The MDHHS is looking to fund 20 more sites throughout Michigan.
Providing physical and mental health care in schools has been shown to increase healthcare access, increase academic outcomes for kids, just huge, and increasing the overall kind of positive school climate, which is so important.
To learn more about the program or to apply, go to uppermichigansource.com or the TV6 and Fox UP mobile news app.